Greetings, punters. It's Ben here, and we are about to run Grail Punt 233, which is Don's John Verne's Next Men number 21, first appearance of Hellboy, and more importantly, the scene of one of the best letter columns in comics. All right, we have just the 30 places, starting with Dak, finishing with Dak. All right, let's go. Alrighty, so 1 minute ago it was 8:28. I always forget to press that. 8:28, and we are good to go. All right, just the 30 places. Nice and easy. List. Alrighty, Dak. And 30. Nice work. 3 dice roll. All right, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 and 3 is 9, and 6 is 15. 15. All righty, here we go. Randomize. Bit of elevator music there for you. Five, 6, 7. Wow, it's cool. It fits on a screen. You can see it changing. 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, so far we've got 13 times. Let's go back. 6 and 3 is 9, and 6 is 15. 12, yep, definitely got 15. All right, 13, 2 more times. 1, 14. So next is for the winner, and I'm not going to be able to scroll because it's going to fit on one screen. So here we go for the winner. Tim Weiss. Congratulations, Tim. A fine comic to have in your collection. There you go. Hey, hit up Don, and don't let him charge you for postage either. All right, very good. Go back down. Thanks, gang. Catch you around.